Welcome to my kingdom. Stella! Always by my side.
Oh, Stella for star.
Blanche, it's you. You look great.
Turn around for me. You're plump as ever.
Let me see you.
Oh, no. I'm exhausted from the traveling. And you must be Stanley. I'm Blanche.
Stella's sister.
Yes. I'll be staying here if it's not inconvenient for you all.
I didn't know you were in town.
Well, I was in the area and I couldn't help but wait to see my sister.
How long will you be staying?
I'm sure that however long I decide to stay, my sister Stella won't mind. Is that right, Stella? Why are you with this man?
You don't know him.
Well, I know that he's not good for you. I'm disappointed to see what's become of you.
Blanche, don't. I adore him. He's my husband.
I'm not questioning your intimacy or relationship. I'm merely just wondering where the sister I once knew ran off to.
Times change. People change with them. I'm sure you've changed too.
He acts as if he's a god. What kind of husband puts their wife up like a trophy and only shows her when he so pleases?
There are things that happen between a man and a woman in the dark that make everything else seem unimportant.
What you're feeling is desire. Brutal desire. Like the name of that rattle-tat streetcar that bumps around the corner and takes you up one alley and down another.
Haven't you ever ridden that streetcar?
It brought me here, where I'm unwanted and ashamed to be. Don't.
Stanley, sit.
Hello, I'm Blanche, Stella's sister.
People call me Mitch.
Are you a friend of Stanley's?
Oh, yes, I'm a friend of old Stan.
Well, I hope he doesn't treat you the way he treats my sister.
What's that supposed to mean?
Nothing. It's just that I'm a bit amused by his position of power.
Yeah, that does sound like Stanley.
Are you a man of power, Mitch?
What, me? No, not really.
Would you like to be? How's it feel, Mitch?
Feels good.
You could be a man of power too, Mitch. But now Stanley trampling over you the way he is.
And you're saying you can give me this power without you controlling me like Stanley?
I do believe I can, yes.
I don't think I've ever met a woman like you, Blanche. Can I kiss you?
A single woman alone in the world has to keep a firm grip of her emotions or she'll get lost. Look what he's done to you. You can't let him treat you like this. We're getting out of here and you are coming with me.
No, Stella, you
Come
cannot
on, Stella.
leave me. You're mine. You will not leave me! Stella!
Damn you, Stanley.
Stanley, I cannot believe you would hit a woman, much less your own wife.
She's my wife. I can do with her what I please.
You don't understand women at all. They depend on us. We need to protect them.
Don't you preach to me as if you know everything there is to know about women. You don't even know about the one you're siding with.
What's that supposed to mean?
Have you ever seen her in the light?
I don't know what that's got to do with anything.
She's not who she says she is.
Don't listen to him. He's trying to control you. You can believe in me.
I don't know if I can.
What's on your mind? I see something in your eyes.
It's dark in here. And I don't think I've ever seen you in the light.
Don't you trust me?
I want to. I want to see you in the light.
I don't want realism. I want magic.
You lied to me, Blanche. You're not who you said you were.
I always knew you were a lying scarlet.
Does Stella know you're here?
You've disgraced, disrespected our family, and now I feel as though it's time for a consequence of your
Get
own.
away from me!
No, sweetheart, I am king, and you will never forget it!
Get your filthy hands off of me!
This is my kingdom.